बिना श्रद्धा के दान न दें। दान लज्जा और श्रद्धा पूर्वक ही दें, विनीत बुद्धि से दें। यदि तुम्हें कर्म और आचरण में संदेह हो तो व्यवहार कुशल विद्वानों से परामर्श करना चाहिए। यदि किसी अपराध का आरोप हो और उसके संबंध में कुछ शंका हो तो व्यवहार कुशल व धर्मज्ञ विद्वानों के अनुसार ही आचरण करें। यही आदेश है, यही उपदेश है। वेदों का सार भी यही है। इसी को अनुशासन कहा गया है।
समस्त शिक्षक गण से मेरा विनम्र निवेदन है कि अपने स्थान पर खड़े होने की कृपा करें और गुरु शिष्य परंपरा को अक्षुण्ण बनाने हेतु मंत्रोच्चारण में सहयोग दें। हमारे देश में गुरु केवल विद्या प्रदान करने वाला स्रोत और शिष्य केवल विद्या ग्रहण करने वाला पात्र नहीं होता। वैदिक परंपरा के अनुरूप गुरु और शिष्य एक दूसरे के द्वारा साथ साथ विकास में सहायक होते हैं। ये श्लोक इसी विचारधारा की ओर संकेत करता है। इस श्लोक में गुरु और शिष्य ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हैं, हे प्रभु, हम दोनों को एक दूसरे की रक्षा करने की सामर्थ्य दें। हम परस्पर मिलकर अपनी संस्कृति की रक्षा करें, किसी भी शत्रु से भयभीत न हो। हमारी शिक्षा हमें एकता के सूत्र में बांधे, बुराइयों से मुक्त करे। हम एक दूसरे पे विश्वास रखें। शिक्षकगण कृपया अपना आसन ग्रहण करें। धन्यवाद। अब मैं सम्माननीय प्रधानाचार्य जी को आशीर्वाद देने हेतु मंच पर सादर आमंत्रित करती हूँ। उत्कृष्ट छात्रों से मेरा निवेदन है कि परम सम्माननीय प्रधानाचार्य जी की चरण वंदना कर आशीर्वाद एवं स्मृति चिन्ह ग्रहण करें।
Shashwat Kumar. Shashwat secured third position in the art competition this session. He is one of the players of the school's football team. Shashwat would like to take up the noble profession of a doctor. Rohit Chaudhary. Rohit desires to be a doctor. His sportsperson skills and swiftness can be seen on the football field too. Arihant Das. Arihant aspires to be a businessman. The sports captain of our school has won many medals in co-curricular activities. Piyush Pawar. Hailing from Pune, Piyush has exciting interests like soccer and gaming. His talent will surely take him places. Harshit Bhati. Harshit is a quiet, dedicated and hard-working student with additional skills in volleyball. He aspires to be a businessman. Jyotish Singh Khara. The basketball star of our school, he participated in many basketball tournaments. An amazing person by heart, he wishes to become a game developer. Shantanu Kasana. The vice sports captain of our school is an amazing football player, trying his skills on styling hair. He aspires to become a hairstylist. Shivang Sinha. Shivang is a good and responsible boy who wants to become a psychologist. Nikhil Bhati. He is a friendly and cooperative boy who loves to play football and wishes to be a software engineer. Mohammad Yamin. Yamin hails from Bareilly. He has a penchant for traveling. He would like to be a doctor. Kamal Mehra, the boy who holds fine sportsmanship and a caring attitude towards his peers. He has a soft heart just like the petals of the flower in his name and wishes to be esteemed and loved. Rohan Bhati, a very decent boy. He is very amiable and understanding. He is talented in swimming. Remembering he won second position in sports. Mohit Yadav. ultimate silent worker and believes in the philosophy of working hard in silence. Arav Singh, the wit wizard who keeps the class in spirit with the classic one-liners. His obedience and generosity just take a plus fact. Bhupendra Bhati is a budding singer of the class who has a long way to go in the field of music. However, he wishes to become army officer. Harshvardhan Banduni, a smart boy with Messi-like attributes, he has a long way to go with the interests he pursues. Kunal Singh. Kunal, the bright boy, has inculcated team spirit and coordination into his blood. Ayush's polite manner reflects the culture of the city he hails from, that is Lucknow, the city of Nawabs. Gargi Shaurya. Gargi possesses skills of a good dancer and painter. She proved her worth by winning a painting competition at GD Goenka Vasant Kunj. She dreams to become a businesswoman. Sonam Barnala. Sonam is a hardworking girl who values time. She has a fighter's spirit and wishes to become a businesswoman. Nivedita Rawat. Nivedita is an excellent singer and a very good basketball player. Her plans are to become an entrepreneur in a law firm. Kritika Ishwar, our school's cultural secretary, recently won a gold medal in Commerce Olympiad. She is an excellent dancer who aspires to become a lawyer. Ishana Verma. Beauty with brains. Ishana is heritage secretary of the school who wishes to be a fashion designer. Shrishti Sethi. Shrishti is naughty yet a well-disciplined child. She loves to play badminton and also likes to try her hands on some art and craft. This chirpy girl aspires to be a doctor. Priya Nagar. Hailing from Greater Noida, Priya enjoys reading. She aspires to be a renowned lawyer in the future. Ritu. Ritu hails from Haryana and has interest in racing, yoga and reading. She wants to be a teacher in Vedic maths. Sumedha. She is a bright and cheerful human being and a very optimistic character, almost striking attribute of hers. Pragya Jasra. Her main key point is her optimism and cheerful personality. Not only does she help others and is cordial and is loved by all her friends. Purnima Prasad. Very simple, sweet and decent girl. She hails from Patna and is an avid interest in reading novels. Priyanka Jain. She's a unique girl, beautiful in her personality, has a fruitful approach to life and politeness in her attitude. Rachi Bhati. She is the literal personification of hard work and politeness, desires to become a doctor and tests her skills at badminton and basketball. Manya Mishra. The ultimate combination of obedience and love is Manya Mishra. She is polite and understanding. Muskan, the beauty queen Muskan, always has a big smile plastered on her face and is friendly towards everybody. Rashi Bansal. She is a very kind and friendly personality with a style statement always on point, and her inner character is no less than the beauty of her outer thing. Shreya Bansal, a little shy but a lot more fun than anybody is Shreya Bansal, who is beautiful on both outside and inside. Vidhi Singhal. Vidhi has a soft voice which is actually a melody to ears. She is charming, innovative, who wishes to be a maths professor. Anjal Bhati, sweet and petite, Anjal likes to play badminton and basketball. She aspires to be a doctor. Tanvi Singh, studious, quiet and charming Tanvi, wishes to be an architect. Muskan Bhor. Muskan hails from Punjab and has plenty of hobbies like cooking and singing. She has plans to become a singer. Hiya Sharma, a classic Delhi girl who enjoys reading books and cooking. Hiya aspires to become a chef. Aparajita Sinha. Aparajita, a smart girl, loves to play guitar and is a keen basketball player. She has participated at national level dew ball championship and district level painting competition. She wishes to be an analogist. Shubhi Bhardwaj. A keen reader, Shubhi is a budding poetess. She won first position in the poem writing competition in school. The star wishes to be a psychologist in the future. Soumya Jain. Soumya hails from Noida. She has secured gold medals in English Olympiad in 10th and 11th grade. She likes reading and swimming and her aim is to become a successful doctor. Kushal, she has always shown good sportsmanship and cheerfulness upon the task at hand. The sincerity she does it is with all the world she talks of. Chanak Agarwal, optimism, obedience and prodigious in helping are the right words for her. Whatever her chosen path may be, she wishes to be successful. Urvashi Singh, one of the most cheerful and jovial persons, Urvashi has been shown to never degrade her potential in the task she carries. Shubhangi Garg. Shubhangi is one of the most diligent child and is very keen in arts and has the house captain of the Vivekanand House. Priya Gupta. The best optimistic girl is found as Priya Gupta. Her different approach towards life and creative skills are well to be applauded. Kalpana Gupta. She is the girl with twinkle in her eyes and a spark in her soul. She has taken up certain interest in debating and aspires to be an electrical engineer. Rashmi Pragati. As the name itself suggests, Rashmi has a very Pragati-sheel outlook towards life. Himani Pundir. A well-spoken, pleasant child, Himani is excellent in writing skills as well as oral interpretation and has earned prestigious place for herself in the school by heading the head girl position of GD Goenka, Greater Noida. Yash Agarwal. Yash possesses great management skills and wishes to become an IPS officer to serve the country. Akshu Sharma. The football star of our school went to Finland for football tournament under 16. He wishes to become a scientist and footballer, a rare combination. Kushagra Chandel, tall and dusty Kushagra, hails from Dehradun and as a reader who is always keen to learn new things, he aspires to become a successful businessman. Sparsh Katana. He is a state-level swimmer who comes from Delhi. Sparsh aspires to be a businessman. Saksham Atre, head boy of our school, is an all-rounder, extremely dedicated to his studies. Saksham aspires to become a software engineer. Namit Gosai. Namit has interest in painting and dancing. Namit wants to become an entrepreneur. Kunal Gupta. Kunal has keen interest in soccer and aims to become a scientist. Kunal Shukla. Kunal is a generous person who loves to help others. He participated in a debate on alternative energies. He wishes to be a businessman in future. Lavneesh Chaudhary. Lavneesh is excellent in sports with interest in not just cricket but also football and volleyball. He aspires to be a scientist. Sachin Viduri. This Delhi boy has many hobbies like listening to music and playing football. Sachin wanted to become a chartered accountant or an owner of a company. Aviral Singh, this charming boy loves to play badminton and football. Aviral won the 3rd position in a symposium in an inter-school event. His aim is to become a doctor. Vidit Malhotra, the tall, handsome boy of our school, he participated in various competitions and inter-school events. Vidit wishes to become a flourishing businessman in future. Nishchal Gautam, an optimistic person who is really kind at heart. Nishchal wishes to become a businessman. Sahil Tyagi. Sahil is conversational, funny and supportive. He loves to help his friends and wishes to be a businessman. Aviraj Datta. Hailing from the metro city of Bengal, Kolkata, Aviraj joined GT Goenka Public School in grade 12 itself, yet managed to make one of the most memorable students for himself. Yash, discipline and smartness, the perfect combination of an ideal human being. Yash's quite clever attitude is definitely going to lay a cornerstone in his chosen field. Romir Sharma. Romir is usually a very quiet guy, but under the still waters is an ocean full of most creative and wild imaginations. Neelaksh Bansal. Neelaksh is highly intuitive and has tremendous hard work capacity. His path to greatness will be made as soon as he steps into his chosen field.
Siddhant, an intelligent, hard-working and concise scholar, are a few words to describe Siddhant. He is a good guitar player and a good football player too. Anshu Bansal. He is charismatic character from Delhi and loves to play cricket and guitar. He is no less good of swimmer either. Akash Gupta. He is the drummer of the class who dances to his own tunes. His witty comments in the class very well enjoyed by the students and teachers alike. He wishes to be an IAS officer. Gagan Barnala. The naughty knight who is always ready to wage war for his friend is Gagan. He has a clean sense of humor and can't stay without a little conversation in the class. Gajendra Atre. He is proactive and wonderful sports person. His mannerism is commendable and his attitude is always well spoken. No wonder how well he works towards his goal. Tanmay Singh. If anyone feels low, Tanmay is the right person to uplift your mood. His attitude is very pleasant and helping. His dream is to become computer science engineer and he is working towards it. Ritik Bhati. Ritik's ardent desire is to become successful, skilled and accomplished doctor. He enjoys sports thoroughly, especially football and tennis.
धन्यवाद प्रधानाचार्य जी। संस्थान के उपदिष्ट छात्र तैत्तरीय उपनिषद पद्धति से दीक्षा ग्रहण कर भावी जीवन में पदार्पण करने हेतु तत्पर हैं। शिक्षकगण से अनुरोध है कि कृपया अपने स्थान पर खड़े होकर सम्मान ग्रहण करें। सर्वप्रथम ये छात्र जीवन मर्म का बोध कराने वाले शिक्षक वृंद को सादर नमन करते हैं, जिन्होंने अपने असीम स्नेह, वात्सल्य और योग्यता से शिक्षा प्रदान कर इन्हें भावी जीवन की चुनौतियों का सामना करने योग्य बनाया। शिक्षक वृंद कृपया स्थान ग्रहण करें। धन्यवाद। छात्रों के जीवन में संस्कारों को समावेशित करने वाले प्रमुखतः माता पिता ही होते हैं। आज हम जो कुछ हैं इन्हीं की कृपा से हैं। यदि माता पिता न होते तो धरा पर हमारा अवतरण ही न होता। इन्होंने उज्जवल भविष्य निर्माण के लिए देश के महान संस्थान में उत्कृष्ट शिक्षा प्रदान करने का सुअवसर प्रदान किया। अब अभिभावक गण से मेरा नम्र निवेदन है कि सम्मान ग्रहण करने हेतु अपने स्थान पर खड़े होकर छात्रों की उत्तर वृद्धि की कामना करें। ये छात्र अपने माता पिता को नमन करते हैं तथा उनके इस महान कृत्य के प्रति ये छात्र अपना आभार प्रकट करते हैं। धन्यवाद। अभिभावकगण अपना आसन ग्रहण करने की कृपा करें। और जो प्राणी मात्र के जीवन को धारण करने में तथा उनके पालन पोषण में महत्वपूर्ण योगदान करती है, जिसका ऋण जन्म जन्मांतर तक चुकाया नहीं जा सकता।
पृथ्वी त्वया धृता लोका, देवी त्वं विष्णुना धृता, त्वं च धारय मां देवी, पवित्रं कुरु च
ऐसी मां वसुंधरा को छात्र नमन करते हैं। आप सभी महानुभावों, शिक्षकगण एवं छात्रों से मेरा निवेदन है कि आप सभी इस गीत में अपना सुर मिलाकर सहयोग दें। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता।